Presenting the 2014 Ford Focus. Powered by front-wheel drive, a 2-liter, 4-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a power sunroof, alloy rims, a spoiler, anti-lock brakes, privacy glass. On the inside, you'll find leather seats, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, steering wheel controls, a premium sound system, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, power seats, cruise control, a trip computer. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.